Nikki here, back with another episode of Nikki Talks Food. So today we're gonna make baked orzo. She's baked. She has roasted cherry tomatoes. She has garlic, tarragon. What the? Smells like licorice. All these people said they wanted the recipe for the dish, so I figured I would go ahead and make a video of it, and the recipe will be in the description. I had to make this dish earlier in the week for a catering job, so let's get started. For this dish, you can use a casserole type of dish that is stovetop to oven. If you have a casserole dish that you can't use on the stovetop, you can saute the stuff we gotta saute and then just throw it into the casserole dish and bake it in the oven. So the first thing that we're gonna do is cut up all our stuff for our mise en place. Everybody loves my garlic trick. So now we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and let that heat up, let the oil kind of dance around a little bit. And then we're gonna add a half a pint of cherry tomatoes. Blister them. Make sure once you wash your tomatoes that you kind of dry them off. I have mine on the towel here and I just kind of drying them off like that. Now we're just gonna add our garlic so that it doesn't burn. Give it a couple of turns. Just added 2.5 cups of chicken stock. That beautiful tarragon. Crack open a fresh one. I'm just gonna add a half a teaspoon of pro seasoning because the feta cheese is real salty. And we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Now we're gonna add our orzo. Orzo is a rice-shaped pasta. So this is made from durum wheat and basically water, and they extrude the pasta into this shape. It's just a little rice shape. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna suck up all this broth and the tomato and all the flavors, and rather than it being a boiled pasta, it's gonna suck up all those flavors and just be like little flavor bombs. It's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna do a cup and a half of the orzo right into this broth here. And we're gonna pop this into the oven uncovered at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yo, look at this. This is incredible. So it's savory, you got the sweetness of the tomatoes. It was pretty simple. Dude, I don't know, man. This is like a good fun, like, you know, break up the weeknight. What is that called? Monotony. Give it a try. Blazing hot. Oof. I don't know, man. It's something about that tarragon that really just puts the wind in my sails. It's just incredible, guys. It's just incredible. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting, and as always, leave a comment down below. You can find my pro seasoning at chefnikki.net. That's Nikki with 2 Ks, and I'll put the link right here. This is stupid good.